a rest. I believe that's exactly 8 counts. So 1, 2, we're going to one line, 6, 7, 8. You have to take a rest. And then when you hear the words or the lyrics, because then what you're going to do is do like this. So when you are in front, the fan will be up on your right first. When you're on the second one, it will be like alternate. The left hand will be up first, so it will be like this. So because 1, 2, 3, go. Because of all the things, when you hear things, 1, 2, 3, 4. When you hear day by day, you have to go to stagger. Remember stagger? It's like a zigzag. It's like a zigzag. Imagine a zigzag. Or if you are in front, you're having an imaginary thing of a triangle. So day by day, day by day. Again, we do it again. Day. Watch my arm, my right and my left arm with the fan. It's going to be day by day. Cross. 1, 2, bump. All right. And then, what if you are in Paula's side? Paula's group. So you're doing this. You're